A very good afternoon, guys. Today I am starting with Haryana Staff Selection Commission Panchkula afternoon session. The post is sanitary inspector. Okay, these are the MCQ question answers. I am starting with the first question. Each of the following organs is a part of urinary system except option 1 kidney, option 2 urinary gland, option 3 rectum, and option 4 ureter. The correct answer is, guys, option number 3 rectum. Question 2. From the following, this is not a nutrient. Option 1 fiber, option 2 protein, option 3 fat, and option 4 vitamins. The correct answer is option number 1 fiber. Question 3. The smallest bone in the body is of option 1 head, option 2 nose, option 3 fingers, and option 4 ears. The correct answer is option number 4 ears. Question 4. The heart is composed of the following layers of tissue except option 1 pericardium, option 2 myocardium, option 3 endocardium, and option 4 ectocardium. The correct answer is option number 4 ectocardium. Question 5. The vitamin that can be synthesized by human body is vitamin option 1 D, option 2 C, option 3 B, option 4 A. The correct answer is option number 1 D. Question 6. According to categories of biomedical waste in India, chemicals used as disinfectants are under category number option 1 7, option 2 8, option 3 9, and option 4 10. The correct answer is option number 4 10. Question 7. For discarding human waste and blood stained cotton, dash color bag is used. Option 1 blue, option 2 red, option 3 yellow, and option 4 black. The correct answer is option number 3 yellow. Question 8. In Apgar scoring, a perfect score is considered to be option 1 9 or 10, option 2 7 or 8, option 3 below 5, and option 4 below 3. The correct answer is option number 1 9 or 10. Question 9. After delivery, the postnatal period is carried up to option 1 first 2 weeks, option 2 first 4 weeks, option 3 first 6 weeks, option 4 first 8 weeks. The correct answer is option number 3 first 6 weeks. Question 10. During childbirth, use of sterilized instrument helps in preventing option 1 fever, option 2 jaundice, option 3 tetanus, and option 4 blindness. The correct answer is option number 3 tetanus. Question 11. The dietary fat derived from vegetable sources option 1 butter, option 2 sunflower oil, option 3 ghee, option 4 fish. The correct answer is option number 2 sunflower oil. Question 12. The natural source of vitamin D is option 1 water, option 2 air, option 3 sunlight, option 4 soil. The correct answer is option number 3 sunlight. Question 13. Cakes and cookies are made using dash type of cooking method. Option 1 boiling, option 2 grilling, option 3 baking, option 4 stewing. The correct answer is option number 3 baking. Question 14. The richest source of protein is option 1 milk, option 2 soya bean, option 3 oil, and option 4 sugar. The correct answer is option number 2 soya bean. Question 15. Out of the following, which is not the principle of health education? Option 1 credibility, option 2 interest, option 3 reinforcement, and option 4 nutrition. The correct answer is option number 4 nutrition. Question 16. The communication process where there is participation of receiver is known as option 1 one-way communication, option 2 two-way communication, option 3 passive communication, and option 4 Non-verbal communication. The correct answer is, guys, option number 2, two-way communication. Question 17. Difficulty is hearing is dash type of communication barrier. Option 1 psychological, option 2 option 1 sociological, option 2 psychological, option 3 environmental, and option 4 cultural. The correct answer is option number 1 sociological. Question 18. Disease agents transmitted in uterus from mother to fetus is dash transmission. Option 1 direct contact, option 2 indirect, option 3 transplacental, option 4 insulation. The correct answer is option number 3 transplacental. Question 19. The concept where health is viewed only as an absence of disease is option 1 biomedical concept, option 2 ecological concept, option 3 psychological concept, and option 4 holistic concept. The correct answer is option 1 biomedical concept. Question 20. Question 20. Malaria, filaria, and plague are known as option 1 waterborne disease, option 2 vector-borne disease, option 3 blood-borne disease, and option 4 airborne disease. The correct answer is option 2 vector-borne disease. Question 21. Cleaning of pathogenic microorganisms from public eating utensils and objects as done in kitchen of a restaurant is called as option 1 antiseptic, option 2 fumigation, option 3 sterilization, and option 4 sanitization. The correct answer is option number 4 sanitization. Question 22. Sequence can be rectified by option 1 good diet, option 2 eye exercise, option 3 vitamin A prophylaxis, option 4 proper eye cleaning. The correct answer is option 2 eye exercises. Question 23. The dental disease leading to cavity formation and tooth decay is option 1 dental caries, option 2 ferrohoria, option 3 option 2 is pyria, option 3 dental plaque, and option 4 halitosis. The correct answer is option number 1 dental caries. Question 24. The gas that is most commonly used for room disinfection is option 1 ethylene oxide, option 2 formaldehyde, option 3 methylene, option 4 chlorine gas. The correct answer is option number 2 formaldehyde. Question 25. The oxidizing agent mostly used to clean pus from the wound is option 1 chlorine, option 2 iodine, option 3 hydrogen peroxide, option 4 alcohol. The correct answer is option number 3 hydrogen peroxide. Question 26. Borehole latrine should be constructed away from source of water supply minimum at the distance of option 1 2 meters, option 2 7 meters, option 3 10 meters, and option 4 15 meters. The correct answer is option 4 15 meters. Question 27. The type of latrine which is also known as hand flushed latrines are option 1 water seal latrines, option 2 dug well latrines, and option 3 RCA latrines, and option 4 borehole latrines. The correct answer is option 1 water seal latrines. Question 28. The effluent in the soakage pit is purified by option 1 virus, option 2 aerobic bacteria, option 3 anaerobic bacteria, and option 4 parasites. The correct answer is option 2 aerobic bacteria. Question 29. The provision of proper school building and its site falls under dash aspect of school health service. Option 1 health appraisal. Option 2 remedial measures. Option 3 healthful school environment. And option 4 nutritional service. The correct answer is option number 3 healthful school environment. Question 30. The rheumatic fever is caused by option 1 Treponema pallidum, option 2 beta hemolytic group A, option 3 human papillomavirus, and option 4 N gonorrhea. The correct answer is option number 2 beta hemolytic group A. Question 31. The standard that monitors and helps to improve functioning of sub-centers is option 1 Indian Public Health Standards, option 2 Central Standard for Sub-Center, option 3 State Standard of Public Health, and option 4 none. You can see third and fourth option on the next page. The correct answer is option number 1 Indian Public Health Standards. Okay. Now question number 32. You can see on the next page, guys. The heart of the slow sand filter in the purification of water is option 1 sand bed, option 2 vital layer, option 3 filter box, and option 4 filter control. The correct answer is option 2 vital layer. Question 33. The process of using ozone of water treatment is called option 1 ozonization, option 2 oxidization, option 3 irradiation, and option 4 disinfection. The correct answer is ozonization, option 1. Question 34. The air is disinfected by all these methods except option 1 mechanical ventilation, option 2 ultraviolet radiation, option 3 chemical mists, and option 4 replacement. The correct answer is option number 4 replacement. Question number 35. The loudness of noise is measured in option 1 meters, option 2 illumination, and option 3 decibels, and option 4 hertz. The correct answer is option number 3 decibels. Question 36. A child with fast breathing and no chest is in drawing is classified as having option 1 no phenomena, option 2 no pneumonia, option 3 mild pneumonia, option 3 pneumonia not severe, option 4 severe pneumonia. The correct answer is option number 3 pneumonia not severe. Question 37. All the anti-tuberculosis drugs are given orally except option 1 rifampicin, option 2 streptomycin, option 3 INH, option 4 ethambutal. The correct answer is option number 2 streptomycin. Question 38. Pyridoxine is administered to tuberculosis patient to prevent option 1 peripheral nephropathy, option 2 diarrhea, option 3 peripheral neuropathy, option 4 thrombocytopenia. The correct answer is option number 3 peripheral neuropathy. Question 39. All are the early warning signs of cancer except option 1 lump or hard area in breast, option 2 change in wart or mole, option 3 unexplained loss of weight, option 4 persistent high blood pressure. The correct answer is option number 4 persistent high blood pressure. Question 40. According to NACP, as a most exposure prophylaxis of for health workers, arts should be given? Option 1 within 24 hours, option 2 within 48 hours, option 3 within 36 hours, and option 4 within 2 hours. The correct answer is option number 2 within 2 hours. Question 41. According to National Survey of Blindness 2006 to 2007, the main cause of blindness is option 1 cataract, option 2 uncorrected refractive errors, option 3 glaucoma, option 4 corneal opacity. The correct answer is option 1 cataract. Question 42. Under NRHM, in order to reduce the gap in rural health care, the new cadres created is option 1 FHW, option 2 MPHW, option 3 PHN, and option 4 ASHA. The correct answer is ASHA. Question 43. In 2005, National Maternity Benefit Scheme has been modified into option 1 Janani Shakti Yojana, option 2 Janani Suraksha Yojana, option 3 Mahila Shakti Yojana, and option 4 Mata Suraksha Yojana. The correct answer is option number 2 Janani Suraksha Yojana. Question 44. An agenda meant for national action to promote social justice and economic growth was option 1 15-point program, option 2 20-point program, option 3 25-point program, and option 4 30-point program. The correct answer is option 2 20-point program. Question 45. The type of bandages used as a sling in order to support injured arm is option 1 T bandage, option 2 roller bandage, option 3 many tailed bandage, and option 4 triangular bandage. The correct answer is option 4 triangular bandage. Question 46. According to American Heart Association, the algorithm for CPR is option 1 ABC, option 2 BAC, option 3 CAB, option 4 ACB. The correct answer is option number 3 CAB. Question 47. The number of females per 1000 males is defined as option 1 dependency ratio, option 2 sex ratio, option 3 density of population, and option 4 family size. The correct answer is option number 2 sex ratio. Question 48. The bright red color uterine discharge during first 3 to 4 weeks of puerperium is called option 1 lower rubra, option 2 lohia serosa, option 3 lohia alba, option 4 lohia lea. The correct answer is option number 1 lohia rubera. Question 49. In Gujarat, the Mother and Child Protection Card is also known as option 1 immunization card, option 2 delivery card, option 3 child card, option 4 Mamta card. The correct answer is option number 4 Mamta card. Question 50. The U-shaped segment of the nephron is the option 1 loop of Henle, option 2 proximal convoluted tubule, option 3 distal convoluted tubule, option 4 collecting duct. The correct answer is option 1 loop of Henle. Question 51. Haryana became dash state to launch Mahila Police Volunteer Initiative. Option 1 first, option 2 second, option 3 third, option 4 fourth. The correct answer is option number 1 first. Question 52. The Surajkund Crafts Mela of Haryana was upgraded to an international level in the year option 1 2016, option 2 2017, option 3 2015, and option 4 2013. The correct answer is option 4 2013. Question 53. What is the target revealed in a review meeting of Saksham Haryana of achieving grade level competency of students by the end of 2018 in Haryana? The correct option A 60%, option 2 70%, option 3 80%, option 4 90%. The correct answer is option number 3 80%. Question 54. The extension of Delhi Metro till Sonipat project will be financed by way of grant by the state and the central government in the ratio option 1 50:50, option 2 80:20, option 3 20:80, and option 4 none of these. The correct answer is option number 2 80:20. Question 55. In which article of the Indian Constitution there is provision of the State Public Service Commission? Option 1 Article 315, option 2 Article 318, option 3 Article 317, and option 4 Article 316. The correct answer is option 1 Article 315. Question 56. In 1200 MW Rajiv Gandhi Thermal Power Project is located in which among the following districts of Haryana? Option 1 Hisar, option 2 Bhiwani, option 3 Sirsa, option 4 Gurugram. The correct answer is option 1 Hisar. Question 57. The Renuka, Keshu and Lakwar Vyasi dams have been constructed on which among the following rivers of Haryana? Option 1 Ghaggar, option 2 Yamuna, option 3 Markanda, option 4 none of these. The correct answer is option number 2 Yamuna. Question 58. Which city of Haryana is major hub for the information technology? Option 1 Faridabad, option 2 Bhiwani, option 3 Gurugram, and option 4 Panchkula. The correct answer is option number 3 Gurugram. Question 59. Who made the construction of Thaneshwar Mahadev Mandir temple near Thaneshwar city? Option 1 Prabhakar Vardhan, option 2 Harshvardhan, option 3 Punyabhuti, option 4 Aditya Vardhan. The correct answer is option number 3 Punyabhuti. Question 60. Which district is not comes under Rohtak division? Option 1 Jajjar, option 2 Charkhi Dadri, option 3 Fatehabad, option 4 Bhiwani. The correct answer is option number 3 Fatehabad. Question 61. In Haryana, Teej is celebrated on option 1 July to August, option 2 January to Feb, option 3 March April, option 4 none of these. The correct answer is option number 1 July to August. Question 62. Which of the following is not correctly matched according to tourist complex and their setup year? Option 1 Depchik 1997, option 2 Bulbul 1972, option 3 Grey Pelican 1985, and option 4 Goria 1990. The correct answer is option number 1 Depchik 1997. Question 63. Who was the first Chief Justice of Punjab and Haryana High Court? Option 1 Justice Amarnath Bhandari, option 2 Justice Sudhir Rajan Das, option 3 Justice Ramlal, option 4 Justice Eric Weston. The correct answer is option number 3 Justice Ramlal. Question 64. Which of the following city was established by Firoz Shah Tughlaq? Option 1 Fatehabad, option 2 Hisar, option 3 Firozabad, option 4 all of these. The correct answer is option number 4 all of these. Question 65. The first edition of Haryana Sahitya Sangam held in Haryana at option 1 Hisar, option 2 Panchkula, option 3 Bhavani, and option 4 Rewari. The correct answer is option number 2 Panchkula. Question 66. All of the following boxers are related to Bhiwani except option 1 Dinesh Kumar, option 2 Jagdish Singh, option 3 Vijender Singh, option 4 Manoj Kumar. The correct answer is option number 4 Manoj Kumar. Question 67. Which river is Haryana's main seasonal river? Option 1 Sahibi, option 2 Yamuna, option 3 Saraswati, option 4 Ghaggar. The correct answer is option number 4, Ghaggar. Question 68. Which district not comes under the Hisar police range? Option on the next page, you can see it very carefully. Option number 1, Fatehabad. Option 2, Sirsa. Option 3, Kaithal. Option 4, Hansi. The correct answer is option number 3, Kaithal. Question 69. Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi, belongs to which district of Haryana? Option 1, Bhiwani. Option 2, Rohtak. Option 3, Karnal. Option 4, none of these. The correct answer is option number 1, Bhiwani. Question 70. Who won the third battle of Panipat? Option 1, Maratha. Option 2, British. Option 3, Dutch. Option 4, Ahmad Shah Abdali. The correct answer is option number 4, Ahmad Shah Abdali. Question 71. The remains of Buddhist stupa of Kushana period is at which place of Karnal? Option 1, Patheda. Option 2, Garunda. Option 3, Asand. Option 4, none. The correct answer is option number 3, Asand. Question 72. Red Mosque of Rewari, Haryana was constructed during the reign of option 1, Babur. Option 2, Akbar. Option 3, Shahjahan. And option 4, Iltutmish. The correct answer is option number 2, Akbar. Question 73. In which of the following places of Haryana the wall clocks and watches are offered when the desire is completed? Option 1, Satyaneshwar Mahadev Mandir. Option 2, at the Mazar of Pir Nogza. Option 3, Jyotisar Sarovar Tirth. Option 4, none of these. The correct answer is option number 2, at the Mazar of Pir Nagoza. Question 74. Former Chief of the Army Staff General Dalbir Singh Suhag belongs to which district of Haryana? Option 1, Jajjar. Option 2, Rohtak. Option 3, Ambala. Option 4, Hisar. The correct answer is option number 1, Jajjar. Question 75. Which district comes under Faridabad division? On option 1, Nu. Option 2, Jind. Option 3, Jajjar. Option 4, Mahendragarh. The correct answer is option number 1, Nu. Question 76. The Industrial Revolution in England began in option 1, 19th century, option 2, 17th century, option 3, 18th century, and option 4, 20th century. The correct answer is option number 3, 18th century. Question 77. Gauri Lankesh, the noted generalist who shot dead Shi, hailed from which state? Option 1, Kerala. Option 2, Karnataka. Option 3, Andhra Pradesh. Option 4, Telangana. The correct answer is option number 2, Karnataka. Question 78. The lens used in a simple macroscope on option 1, concave. Option 2, convex. Option 3, cylindrical. And option 4, none. The correct answer is option number 2, convex. Question 79. The Bondla Wildlife Sanctuary BWS is located in which state? Option 1, Manipur. Option 2, Goa. Option 3, Kerala. Option 4, West Bengal. The correct answer is option number 2, Goa. Question 80. The victory is coded as YLFWRUB. How can success be coded? Option number 2 is the correct answer. You can see it very carefully. WXFFHVB. Okay. Now see on the next page, question 81. Choose the odd one. Pupil, iris, retina, medulla. Option 1, pupil. Option 2, iris. Option 3, retina. Option D, medulla. The correct answer is option number 4, medulla. Choose the odd number 51, 144, 121, 81. The correct answer is option number 151. Question 83. Complete the analogy bag, luggage, ship. Option 1 coal, option 2 stock, option 3 cargo, option 4 weight. The correct answer is option number 3 cargo. Question 84. The number of girls in a class is 9 times the number of boys. Which value can be the total number of students in class? Option 1 27, option 2 30, option 3 54 and option 4 28. The correct answer is option number 2 30. Question 85. Mohan buys sofa set worth 8,000. He gets a rebate of 8% on it. After getting the rebate, he pays sales tax at the rate of 12%. Find the amount he will have to pay for the goods. Option 1 8243.20, option 2 8300.20, option 3 8320 and option 4 8500. The correct answer is option number 2 8243.20. Question 86. Which of the following fractions is greater than 3 upon 4 and less than 5 upon 6? Option 1 1 upon 2, option 2 2 upon 3, option 3 4 upon 5 and option 4 9 upon 10. The correct answer is option number 3 4 upon 5. Question 87. In 1 hour, a boat goes 11 km along the stream and 5 km against the stream. The speed of the boat is still water in kilometer per hour is option 1 3, option 2 5, option 3 8 and option 4 9. The correct answer is option number 3 8. Question 88. The property of a substance to absorb moisture from the air on exposure is called option 1 osmosis, option 2 desiccation, option 3 efflorescence and option 4 deliquescence. The correct answer is option number 4 deliquescence. Question 89. The element required for solar energy conversion. Option 1 carbon, option 2 silicon, option 3 tantalum and option 4 ultra pure carbon. The correct answer is option number 2 silicon. Question 90. Which one of the following is not the use of salt in diet? Option 1 is to process the process of cooking. Option 2 salt helps retain water in the body. Option 3 salt stimulates muscle contraction. Option 4 salt contains nutrients vital to the digestive system. The correct answer is option number 1 is the process of cooking. Question 91. Select the word from the following that is most similar in meaning to the given word. Harmony. Option 1 obscure, option 2 attempt, option 3 optional, option 4 unanimity. The correct answer is option number 4 unanimity. Question 92. Select the word from the following that is opposite in meaning to the given word. Enmity. Option 1 entice, option 2 suggest, option 3 acquaintance, option 4 gain. The correct answer is option 3 acquaintance. Question 93. In the following question, 4 alternatives are given for the idiom phrase bold in the sentence. Choose the alternative which best expresses the meaning of the idiom phrase. Please run through the bill. Option 1 to examine in haste. Option 2 to run after. Option 3 to understand. Option 4 to calculate. The correct answer is option number 1 to examine in haste. Question 94. Give one word substitute for the following expression. One who cannot be conquered. Option 1 invisible, option 2 invincible, option 3 illiterate, option 4 patriot. The correct answer is option number 2 invincible. Question 95. Supply suitable article in the following blank if needed. Option 1. We drink dash water. Option 1 A. Option 2 N. Option 3 the. Option 4 no article. The correct answer is option 4. Option 4 no article. Question 96. किरण का पर्यायवाची शब्द नहीं है. पहला अंशु, दूसरा सिरसिज, तीसरा मरीचि, ऑप्शन 4 चौथा कर्तिक. सही उत्तर है दूसरा सिरसिज. प्रश्न 97. तामसिक का विलोम शब्द है. पहला तांत्रिक, दूसरा दैवीय, तीसरा राक्षसी, चौथा साहित्यिक. सही उत्तर है चौथा साहित्यिक. प्रश्न 98. जो कम बोलता है अनेक पद के लिए एक शब्द है. पहला कम बोला, दूसरा कमभाषी, तीसरा अल्पभाषी, चौथा मृदुभाषी. सही उत्तर है तीसरा अल्पभाषी. प्रश्न 99. घूस देना के लिए उचित मुहावरा है. पहला मुट्ठी गर्म करना, दूसरा बाजार गर्म करना, तीसरा रंग जमाना, चौथा फूलना फलना. सही उत्तर है पहला मुट्ठी गर्म करना. प्रश्न 100. पराजय शब्द में कौन सा उपसर्ग लगा है. पहला पर, दूसरा परा, तीसरा पारा, चौथा प. सही उत्तर है दूसरा परा.